Hi guys, good day sa inyo. Here, our SG6 Legend action camera motovlogging setup. Let's go! So bali guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano ang motovlogging setup dito sa SG6 Legend action camera. So let's go! So first is just on your camera. Alright, so once na naka-on na siya guys, no, just go to settings, then set natin yung resolution as 1080p and 60 fps wide. Alright, so after tayo sa loop recording, then pwede naman dito is pag naka-off guys, ibig sabihin dyan is tuloy-tuloy lang yung recording nya, no, hindi siya nag-cut kahit ilang minuto. Before naka 3 minutes ako guys, pero ang dami niyang cut once na mag-edit na tayo ng video, so much better na naka 5 minutes, no. Alright, so next natin is low light mode, i-on lang natin yan. Then next is WDR, on lang rin natin. Next is yung gyro sensor, which is ito yung pang stability natin sa video natin. So nasa inyo lang yan guys kung low or high or off. Alright, so next yung audio, on natin lagi yan. Volume, nasa inyo yan guys kung ano yung gusto nyong volume. Next is timestamp, so off natin yan. Then next is yung video file format, always natin i-set as MP4. Then next is yung bitrate, medium lang natin guys para hindi siya masyadong mabigat sa ating mga memory card. Then next is yung sharpness, always is strong para mas kitang kita siya, no. Then next is yung white balance, always nating i-daylight. So next is yung EV, naka positive 0.0. Right, then metering, always natin i-center. Alright, itong camera setup na to guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya on point of view while driving motorcycle. So let's go. What is up guys? As I said earlier, ito yung point of view using this SG6 Legend action camera. So this is the exact setup para sa akin guys. By the way guys, this action camera is hindi lang para sa pang vlog, no. Pwede rin siya for your safety, security purposes, lalo na sa mga nakakasama natin sa kalsada. If may budget kayo guys, go with this action camera, SG6 Legend SJ Cam. So yun. Pero as far as I know guys, meron namang mga mura pang action camera na pwede rin pang vlog, pwede na rin pang record like this. Ako ginagawa ko guys pag hindi ako nakakapag vlog, tamang recording lang sa kalsada while driving motorcycle para yun nga, for my safety na din, no. By the way guys, gamit ko nga palang helmet ngayon is Geely helmet GTS V1. Yun guys, meron naman siya available na chin mount for this helmet, so nothing to worry about, no. Actually nabili ko yung chin mount ko sa Shopee. Then available rin naman to sa Memory PH, which is doon ko nabili yung camera natin na SG6 Legend action camera. So good thing for today's, no, hindi masyado ma-traffic. So today is Sunday guys, grind tayo ngayon. Let's go. Okay. So ayun guys, that's it for today's mini vlog. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa soonest vlog natin. Thank you sa pagsuporta sa ating YouTube channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next vlog. Peace out.